Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to manage offline languages for Google Voice typing on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or a Google Pixel or another Android phone, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the Security and Privacy tile. And then you want to scroll down again underneath Other Settings and select More Security and Privacy. And then you want to go underneath where it says Android System Intelligence and select that. And then scroll down again and then select On-Device Recognition. And you can go ahead and add different languages on here that you want to recognize on your Android device. And that's all you have to do. And if you wanted to remove any languages, you would just, again, go underneath on-device recognition, and you could actually remove them as well if there were multiple languages in here. So pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.